As health systems grow, communication becomes harder, not because people don't care, but because everything involves more steps, more people, more approvals. Now, the intentions are good. Protect the quality, protect the brand. But at scale, the pursuit of perfection oftentimes has the opposite effect. Communications slow down, messages lose relevance, and clarity arrives too late to be useful. Let's be clear about what this conversation is not about. This isn't about lowering standards, it's not about rushing content, and it's definitely not about DIY or cutting corners. Healthcare communication still demands accuracy, care, and trust. The real issue is delay. When communication takes weeks to move through a system, hospitals are left waiting or filling gaps in on their own. Different interpretations emerge. Staff receive outdated guidance, and patients experience inconsistency across care settings. At scale, delay doesn't just slow communication, it introduces risk. Most health systems stall because perfection feels safe. Every message is treated like a major campaign. Every video feels like a one-off production. That approach may work for a single hospital, but across dozens or hundreds of locations, it becomes a bottleneck. Trust isn't built by perfection. It's built when communication is clear enough to understand, timely enough to act on, consistent enough to recognize, and human enough to believe. Hospitals don't need perfect messages. They need messages that help people move forward with confidence. The health systems that communicate well at scale don't move fast by accident. They move fast by design. They replace endless revisions with shared standards, one-off production with repeatable workflows, and create a structure of readiness as the goal. This is where Cyrano Video helps health systems and hospitals move forward. We provide the structure that allows communication to move quickly without sacrificing trust, guided workflows, built-in standards, and visibility across every hospital. Hospitals can create and submit content with confidence. Corporate teams maintain clarity and oversight. And yes, we move fast. But fast doesn't mean careless. It means hospitals aren't waiting weeks for communication that should take days. The result is communication that keeps pace with reality, not production timelines. Speed doesn't replace quality. When it's done right, speed protects trust, making sure the right message reaches hospitals, staff, and patients when it actually matters. Book a discovery call with Cyrano Video to see how health systems design communication for speed and trust.